So cool, don't fall over. It shakes its butt too. Wow. What is it trying to do, like a push-up or something? Yeah. This is cool. Alright, turn around, giraffe. I don't know how to do that. Maybe it's this one? Yeah. Turn, turn, turn. And then it's going to do what? It's going to try to drink some water maybe? Okay, let's try. Wow, I can't believe they give that many servos for $100.
What? No, it was $400, remember?
Yeah, on the site, but we got the deal.
You know what it was, nobody wanted it, that's why.
It's so cool. I think nobody knew how to get it to work.
Because it's a pain in the ass. Same thing with, oh, remember that I told you about that Bluetooth video thing I bought for $80?
Uh-huh.
Somebody returned it, that's why I bought it for $60. You know why it didn't work? Because it didn't have the, it didn't have the thing on it. It didn't have the HDMI cable, which costs $30. And the salesman should tell people, if you're gonna buy this, it needs a cable. So they returned it. You know, people can't even sell basic stuff like that. It's not easy.
That's
Oh,
true.
what do I go?
It looks pretty cool.